My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle has done 65,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, Android and Apple CarPlay, emergency assistance, full pass connect, navigation, Bluetooth and mobile apps. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as heated seats on either side. This Fiesta comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Racetrack and Normal. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.